Simplified medical terminology, a new series of medical words for doctors and the nurses. Hi, I'm Dr. Arshnu from Dr. Arshnu's OIT Institute. I'm trying to provide you the best solution for your big challenges, and I know that vocabulary is always horrifying everyone. And by these videos, I'm simplifying it nicely. Thank you for sharing, loving, and liking my videos. And if you've not subscribed my channel yet, subscribe it right now, because only by this you will be able to get the notification whensoever I'm uploading any new video on my channel. So let's start the video. First word is abdomen. Abdomen is quite common word for the medical professional, but it has a different meaning for the medical professionals and a layman. As a layman, consider it as a synonym for stomach, but for the medical professional, they know that stomach is a part of abdomen and it consists other parts like intestines, kidney, liver and gallbladder. Then abdominal, it is related to the abdomen. Abdominal cavity, whole abdominal cavity consisting of other body parts like intestines, kidney, liver and gallbladder. Then abdominal perineal resection, it's a surgical removal of a part of large intestine. Abdominal synthesis is an equipment to drain fluid from the stomach. Abdominoplasty, it is also called tummy tuck, and it is quite common procedure nowadays, the people who want to get rid of fat. It's a procedure to reduce the excess skin and fat around the abdomen and strengthen the abdominal wall. Abduction is a movement of hands and feet from the middle to away from the body. Abortion is a medical termination of pregnancy. Abrasion, a damaged area of skin where it has been rubbed against a hard or rough surface. Abruptio placenta, a serious pregnancy complication where the placenta detaches from the uterus or the womb of mother. Abscess, it is an infected area of the body where the pus is collected in a confined pocket. Absorption, so this is the process of a liquid, drug or other substance entering or soaking up in the body. Then apnea, it is decreased carbon dioxide in the blood. Then acetabulum, it is a cavity with a concave surface of the pelvis or hip bone, we can say, where the head of the femur meets the pelvis or fits there. Acidosis, increased amount of acid in the blood. Acne, quite common. Pimples. Acumeter, an instrument of measuring the acuteness of the sense of hearing. Acoustic neuroma is a non-cancerous tumor on the main nerve leading from the inner ear to the brain. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, that is AIDS, contagious illness that results in decreased ability of the body to protect itself from the other illnesses. So this is the decreased immunity. HIV is a quite common for this. Acromegaly, it's a disorder in the adults in which the pituitary gland produces too much growth hormones. Actinic keratosis, a rough scaly patch on the skin caused by years of sun exposure. Activated partial thromboplastin time, a blood test where blood clotting time is measured to check the ability of the blood to clot. Adenoids, the glands located between the airway a child breathes into through their nose and back of child's throat. Acute illness is a health condition that develops quickly and lasts for a short time, but sometimes it has a serious impact. Addison's disease, serious disorder in which adrenal glands don't produce enough hormones, especially cortisol and sometimes aldosterone too. The deficiency of cortisol can result in a life-threatening Addison crisis characterized by low blood pressure. Adduction, movement towards the middle of the body. Adenohypophysis. It is interior pituitary and the lobe of the gland that regulates several psychological processes including stress, growth, reproduction and lactation. Adenodectomy. It is a surgical removal of the adenoids and it is a common in kids along with the removal of tonsils. Adenoiditis. It's inflammation of adenoids. Adenotome. A tool used to remove adenoids. Then adhesion. It's a band or scar tissue that joins two internal body surfaces that are not usually connected. Adipose. Body fat that is a connective tissue which extends throughout the body. ADME. It means A goes for absorption, D go for distribution, M for metabolism and E for excretion. Then administer. Giving something to someone, especially the medicine. We are saying that administration of any medicine injection through IV fluids. Adrenal glands. It is suprarenal glands, small triangular shaped glands located on the top of both kidneys. Then adrenaline is a hormone produced by adrenal glands to help to prepare for stressful or dangerous situations. Hope this video will be helpful for you, and the second part of the video will be coming soon. Stay connected. Happy learning. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it right now and do not forget to share and like this video. Thank you for watching. Stay connected.